Yo, 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 yo. We live. We're gonna give a little bit of time for Scully to hop on, but I already sent the join link. But hopefully, y'all been watching the videos that we posted. We're gonna be posting some more, just showing y'all a few videos on how we trade, how we find trades, how we draw support and resistance. So yeah, check out the videos. I know they're a little bit long, but I tend to run my mouth a little bit, you dig? But nonetheless, we about to look at these charts and do a little bit of analysis, you dig? So let's see what we got going on. The markets have opened and we are live. I'm gonna draw up a little current zones. Let's see. Move that one to a high. Let's see. This is the low. As soon as market opened right here, shot down and broke. And I believe there was news that came out at 4:30. Let's take a look and see if we can pull that up right quick. Let's see. It was right here, 18:30, 6:30. News came out today. High news. It was positive, so we should have seen the market continue up on a bullish pattern, if it was on a bullish pattern, but I'm not sure. I have to check and see. I think it was consolidating, but like I said, the markets don't have to respect what the news says right then and there. And, you gotta give it some time for it to play out. So with that being said, I'm gonna switch back over to these charts you dig. So I said if we zoom out, we could see markets like it was trying to break out of a somewhat of a consolidation area. Zoom out some more. This is the hourly. I can go to the daily, but I just want to see what the hourly look like. Zoom out, see for the month of February. So we started out here, try to break a low, continue down, try to retest this low down here, but that never happened. We continue breaking highs. Did a few retests after we broke those highs, continue higher, and now we're doing a lot of craziness right now. And a lot of this craziness, I believe, derived from a lot of the news stemming from the war that's going on. So this is not, correct actual price action. If it was just normal news and normal, activity in the market. So with that being said, in the bullish news, we could be, continuing to push higher. So we have to zoom in and see if we take out, recent highs on the 1 hour to see if that's the case. But like I said, we got a lot of news events coming out this week. We'll take a look at that in a little bit. And we'll see how the market what the market gives us. So we know that's a zone. We can draw this area down here. Let's see, move. I duplicate. Let's see. Yeah, right up in here. Because see how I respected that right here? Respected this support right here. Respected these little touches. Respected this area. So that's a good little area of resistance. And then we're going to draw a little support down here. So we got support respected right here. We got resistance respected. So we just see if a market breaks out of this zone and comes up here and hits these areas for some take profit. We break lower and we hit this. This is a major support that we've been seeing throughout the month of February. That was actually a resistance that was broken in the beginning of February. So right now we'll see if the market wants to retest this area and possibly break through and continue down. And if we zoom out to the daily, we'll see this. Yeah, we'll see. We see market been holding right here in February, at the beginning of February. That's when it broke through right down the first. Tried to retest again, but came right back up on the daily and, retested this area, tested this area again. So we'll see if market continues lower. Maybe we want to retest this area again and break lower to continue down to this low. So let's remove this vertical line. I don't need this. That was when I was showing y'all shit. So with that being said, let's zoom down on the 4 hour. See what we looking like. Like I said, 4 hour moved into this zone. We'll probably break lower. If we do, we'll be taking sales all the way down to this area right here. And that's probably be what happened all week. Especially right here. Like we get a little movement. Let's see what we're looking like. See what we're looking like on the 15-minute. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna need a breakout, retest, then I'll sell. Till then, we're gonna wait and see. We're gonna jump to the news and see what news we got coming out for the Australian dollar. So let's see. For tomorrow. Let's see, we got US news, high news. Looks like this tomorrow morning. 7:30. Then we got some Australian news coming out, high at 4, and then 7:30 again p.m. Tuesday. We got a lot of news coming out in the morning. We got 2 pieces of news coming out for US, 8:45, 9 a.m. So that'll give us a little volatility. Then in the evening, 6:30, we got news for the Australian dollar on Tuesday. Wednesday, we have again 2 pieces of news. One at 7, and we got the Fed chair testimony at 9 a.m. So you already know when he talked, markets walk. You feel me? But yeah, we're gonna keep it rolling. Let's see. Hold on 1 second. Okay. So yeah, Wednesday, then the evening, we got, this is 4 o'clock, 6:30, got news. Thursday, of course, we got jobs claims coming out all throughout the morning, 7:30, 8:45, 9. So Thursday gonna be crazy. Then we got another Fed chair talk News at 6:30 p.m. for the Australia, and then Friday, of course, 9 for Faro. So this gonna be in a eventful week. Just you know, make sure you stay consistent on catching those trades in the morning. Get up early in the morning. Set everything up. You know, and make sure you catch these moves. So let's see. We'll go back to these charts. See what it's doing. Looking like we might get a breakout. Let's see. Do we want to get in the impulse? Not sure. I think we need to wait. Need to wait for this. At least a candle to close on the 15 minutes. See what the 15 minutes looking like. Yeah, I need a strong close. Like, this is too much indecision. When we got these big wicks to the top, big wicks to the bottom, small body, that's too much indecision, especially at a support. Like, they don't know what they want to do at a support. Well, I know what I want to do. I don't want to do nothing. So we're just gonna be patient. This is a better setup. If we get a close below, because now we're not only are we getting the close below support, but we getting a close below these previous 2 wicks. So I will wait for this 15-minute to close below and keep it moving like that. Let's see, it's good. Catch you like that, my boy. See if I can get the chat popped out. See if I can get the chat. Got nothing on the chat right now. We good. Let's see. Yeah, so we're waiting. We're just waiting for this to close. Let's see what it do. Trying to send a link out to Scully, see if he go hop on. Let's see that boy yet. Let's see, I think Scully just hopped on. Let's add him to the chat. What a
Am I in?
you win. What's up?
I'm still trying to get my connection straight.
Okay, well, I can hear you. I hear you and the dogs.
All right, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
All right, I'm in. I'm in.
You and.
We are live.
hmm Yeah, you and
Gravy. Nice, nice, nice.
yeah, right now I'm looking for markets to break out of that little zone to the downside. I don't know if you can see.
Yes. Looking at the same thing. I got my 15-minute up as
hmm
well, so I'm looking at the same thing that's on your screen.
Bet. Yeah, man. I just put up another video drop explaining about the hourly, but next we go me and you go do one in soon on how to break down looking at the lower time frame in the morning.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. hmm
No, that's fine.
Yeah, man. Appreciate the graphics, man. That shit is fire.
I appreciate it. I appreciate it. I don't know, man. It's like sometimes I work better when I'm under pressure or something like that.
Man, don't we? Bro, I said if I had somebody calling me and checking, like, hey, are you doing this? Are you doing that? Are you doing this? Like, I know we got to develop that within ourselves, but I was like, well, if I had that on deck, yeah, I'd be a billionaire.
Yeah, but we have each other, man. So we
No,
gotta,
facts. We
you
gotta,
know,
yeah, stay in communication and
yeah, and stay on each other.
right,
Sometimes we get a little loose, tighten each other up.
right.
So,
And I ain't gonna lie, bro. Doing these last few videos on support and resistance, breaking down the daily, the 4 hour, and the 1 hour, it tightened up my trading just that alone. So I know from doing that and just continuing to do these lives, like yeah, we you go get better as you train your eyes, to see the market as you break it down.
oh yeah,
So I'm like, yeah, this shit lit. It's like I'm trying to teach people, but I'm teaching myself at the same time.
yes, no, same thing, man. It's like you constantly, looking at these charts over and over. You're gonna be, it's gonna become fluid. I mean, everything. It's the same thing that happens over and over. Don't get me wrong. You got a lot of different things that can, alter the charts, whether it's news or, I mean, yeah, just news or stuff that's going on in the world. So, but for the most part, price is gonna move.
Nah, true.
Price is gonna move.
That is true. Yeah, man. Like I said, as far as taking in the entries, I was at least waiting for the 15, 30 minutes, something to close strong. For sure, the 15 minute.
Yeah.
Like it need to close below 71.75.
Yep.
Full body.
Yeah, it have to be pretty strong, and even looking at it on the hourly as well, it pretty much have the same type of resistance,
hmm
in that area. So if it closes below, just how you got it marked up, and
Right,
we could be looking for sales, or it can turn around,
right.
give us those buys. You see that clean traffic, one solid candle that can fill.
Yeah, that was news. Somewhat of news. So it had news released right when the market opened.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
We'll see.
what news was that?
6:30, something came out.
Okay.
Let me see what it was. It was retail sales. 6:30
Uh, okay.
Sunday.
Got you.
I mean, it was a positive news release, so should have pushed the market up instead of down. But I feel like it was enough probably buyers, retail size in there trying to push the market higher, and the banks just dropped all these sell orders on their ass,
Yep.
and that's what pushed the market down in such a hard move. So that let you know when you see them big candles like that. That's signs. That's signs that the market may be turning around for a different direction.
Yep. I mean, I really probably want sales, you know, looking like more sales
Than anything.
than anything, but we don't know.
You
You
don't know.
know, we don't
And
know.
it's gonna be like I was saying earlier, it's gonna be an eventful week. There's news coming out every day.
Okay.
Yeah. Every morning, every evening.
Starting tomorrow.
Shit, starting the day, as you can
That's
see.
true. That's
But yeah,
true.
tomorrow all the way to non-farm payroll on Friday.
Yeah. So on weeks like this where you got a lot of news going on, the war that's still going on,
Hmm.
you want to, take it easy, man. Look for something that's like really for sure, and try not to, like I said, I don't like to trade off the news. I like to let the news take me out in profit, or
Right,
I mean, yeah, stop me out in profit, or take me out in profit.
right. Nah, that's true. That's just a little extra push of volatility. That's all the news is for.
Yep.
You know, it's just a non-farm payroll, a whole different monster.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, a whole different monster.
That's why some people don't even trade NFP. It's on a Friday anyway, and
Yeah,
you know,
it's
like
not. It's not. It's not really in your best interest to trade it because, like you said, for instance, it's Friday. It's the beginning of the month. So if you think psychologically that news release is perfect to be released at the beginning of the month because it kind of gives you somewhat of a direction what that monthly candle or those 4 weekly candles could look like.
right.
That's gonna create that month. So just let it reverse the market or continue on this trend, and you hop in the middle. They don't have an option where you can screen share, huh?
Uh,
Like I wonder if that's a if they had that.
yep, I can. Well,
For
hold on. It
real?
says share. Yep, I can screen share.
Dang,
Yeah.
that's crazy. Well, that's dope.
No, this whole platform is fire. Like,
No, facts.
I really like this one.
See what these cryptos looking like, man. Bitcoin ain't no different, man. It moves the same way.
What was it saying? Looked like it hit.
It's an hourly.
Okay.
I'm gonna put it on the daily so we can really see it. You see it change. Still bearish.
Yeah.
Still bearish. Yeah, it ain't gonna be no bias until it. Shit. I'm gonna say just to throw an even number, $50,000. When it start pushing past 50, then yeah,
Yeah.
we might be going somewhere. But right now, the focus is on Russia.
That is true. So everything is down, huh?
I mean, since what's this? Since like the beginning of the year, for sure.
Yeah.
Since the beginning of the year, yeah, like shit. Really, everything started being a real bad since Thanksgiving. That's when stuff started selling off. But we never recovered from those sell-offs. So yeah, everything's down. Everything. I actually was looking at past week. I was looking at one of the coins. Like I was trying to see what coin was green, if any, for the week, and the only one I saw was Terra Luna.
Mm.
It was up 30% for the week. Like everything was down, bloody red. That was the only thing that was up.
Wow.
So I thought that was kind of odd.
Oh, okay, I see it. Yeah.
Damn, it's up 47%. That's crazy. Man, get your XRP. Y'all watch this video and y'all see when y'all said XRP is 72 cents. Watch this video back like a year from now and be like, damn, that nigga had a video showing XRP.
Yep.
Buy that shit, man.
Yeah, man. Buy it and hold.
Damn, Cardano under $1. Come on, man. This is a flash sale. A flash flood sale. Shit crazy. Yes. It's amazing times. So how your week been so far, bro? I know this about to be the start of a new one, but
Yeah, man. It's been good. It's been busy. First
yeah.
time. Um, I mean Mardi Gras is back. In the city, so I've been crazy busy with that and stuff like that. But
How has that been? Have you been going to any parades?
man, I've been chilling, bro.
Nah, facts.
It's eerie.
Yeah.
Like it's really strange. A lot of stuff, been going on, crime and, cars, people
But
stealing cars, breaking into
I,
cars. Yeah. Yeah, it's like
I,
Grand Theft Auto.
I heard. That's why I was like,
Yeah.
damn, boy, you might not want to go to no coffee shops, fam.
Yeah, exactly. I'm good right now. Like this is
Nah,
perfect right
yeah,
now.
you good, nigga. We'll deal with the spotty Wi-Fi.
Yes. No, for real. But yeah, other than that, yeah, everything good. Definitely looking forward to next month, you know what I'm saying? And the following month after and
Right,
things just
right,
kind of settle down.
right, right.
And but yeah, man, everything been good, bro.
The tourism is kind of back up. You're just saying a lot of traffic because you kind of work downtown, right? Still.
Yeah, yeah. Tourism, it has been picking up a lot of um, conferences
Got you.
going on in the city and the convention. You know,
Got you.
that's been picking up. Then you got the Final Four NCAA. That's gonna go down in New Orleans,
Mm.
so that'll be another big thing next month. So yeah, man,
Like,
it's
hey,
the city loving it.
what's up with Don? He
He
been
hustling. Yeah, he
here.
hustling. Yeah,
Yeah,
he
yeah, he.
actually he was on last post I saw they was doing drinks on Namtok Road.
Mm. Fire, fire.
Yeah.
Oh, so yeah, I already know he been posted out there.
Yeah, man, they still they rolling, bro. They staying at it. It's only a matter of time.
Right. That's what's up. Yeah, man. Ain't nobody really had no strong desires to try to run out there and go catch Mardi Gras. It's just it's not even the same no more.
It isn't. I mean, I know
Regardless with how grown we, then got based on that level, but just the vibes in the world, like the energy in the world is just not, you know, it's not the
yep,
same.
yep. Now see next year I could see it, what I'm saying, being a little better, especially
Yeah.
for like, the family, everybody be able to come in town and stuff like that. But,
Right, right, right.
you know,
Yeah, we'll see.
we
That'd be
shall
nice.
see.
Hmm. Just like we shall see if this market gonna break through this support.
Right. So stuff like this, like if you can see you got you in consolidation on the 15 minute through the hour.
Yep.
Like when it's something like that, I will wait until that larger time frame close and break out of
Yep.
that zone. Um,
So what are you talking about? Right? All this consolidation right here in the 15 minutes, just too much confusion. Like you said, wait for that 1 hour. You gotta wake up here. You gotta wait for an hour to the close. Or at least like I've been showing you in the video, wait for that break and retest.
I was just about to say that because
You know,
once it's in a larger time frame, you're going to have a retest. So once it breaks out and close, you can enter in right there, yes, but now your stop loss will have to be below that zone, which is at like 70, I don't know, like 71.70 or something like that.
70. Yeah, yeah, 71.70.
If you want to put it, that low, like, because it can
Right,
easily reach that and take you out. Or you
right,
can wait
right,
for a retest and enter in, and that's when, and we'll make a video about that. That's when
right,
we'll
right.
make that close, go into the lower time frame, 15 minute, and
That's
then
why
you
I
can
wanted to make that
really,
video with you.
yes,
Yeah.
you can really make that sniper entry. Like I said, sometimes, if it looks really good, you know, um, on a Sunday, I don't recommend it at all. But like if it's in the morning, sometimes that could be an impulse buy, once it breaks out. But even now,
Right.
it will have to retest. Right now we are in consolidation, like we're in the beginning of it on
Hmm.
this
And it's
on
Sunday,
this holiday and it's Sunday.
you know, and we coming from a lot of, international news that's gonna manipulate the markets. That's gonna make the news not react so interesting, and
Yep.
speeches on certain news channels can make the markets go crazy. So you just gotta if anything, wait for candles to close. Like definitely do that. Like
Yep.
don't be too close to. Don't be too worried about your FOMO. That fear of missing out.
Right.
Cause and when you waiting for candles to retest after you break out, like give it some candles, give it some time for candles to close. Like right here, if you look, this is a breakout right here, and look, the best retest was what 5-6 hours afterwards.
After. Yep.
And then same thing here. You got a breakout right here and a retest. This was like 4 or 5 candles after for the retest. So you just got to give it some time. If you up and you see the market, retesting, you can catch that move. Do so.
Right. And it really looks good. That's why I like the 15 minutes so much. I like looking at the hour, the 4 hour, but the 15 minutes just gives you, you know, a little more structure,
True.
for you to see. Like, see now, as it broke out, what that was, that green candle that broke out and closed above that zone, and then you could see it retest and
Oh, right
break
here.
back into, yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
and retest and broke back into that zone. Now we
Right,
consolidating again. So if
right.
it goes back up into buys and breaks above that area, that'll be a buy for me. Easy,
Yep.
you know.
Because you got this big old clean traffic candle right here
Yes.
that opened the market up. So yeah, I can see that. So you
Yeah.
looking at buys at 71.94 and up, like
Yep.
71.95.
And that
Mm-hmm.
first target would be where you have it marked at. So yeah, man.
Yeah,
That's like
easy,
solid, easy.
easy money. And it's going to do that, or it's not going to do that, and it's gonna break down and create, you know, retest another support. So
And then come back into the zone and then yeah.
man, come on,
Yes.
bro. Like if then, like if the
Yeah.
market does this, then I do this.
Yeah.
Hmm.
It's like don't get like Six always say, don't get married into, those biases, into what you think it was gonna do, because it's gonna do what it's gonna do.
Right.
Um, and then
I
that's
feel like
when,
the best time to have like a strong, firm case on a bias is when you in a trade, you already like 10, 15 pips in profit, and as you hold that trade, you move further in the profit, and you also see lower highs and higher highs get created. Like when you see that, then you could like your bias is confirmed. Like you
yep,
got all the parameters checked off on the board for a bullish momentum trend or a bearish momentum trend. You know,
yep,
Until then, yeah, man. If you thought it was bias and you see it moving out, like yeah, change your bias. It's probably sales, but take those buys and sells accordingly. Don't just jump in. Wait for breakouts, wait for retests.
patience, man,
Patience.
patience. How it's been in the studio, man, in the D.
It's been good, man. We just going through a little changes and stuff. We kind of cut back on certain activities we used to do in the studio, so we kind of it's like a no smoking studio at the moment right now. It's probably gonna stay like that,
Okay,
which is it's cool. Change up the atmosphere and stuff.
got you.
You dig? I mean, we gotta treat it, like it's yours per se.
Yeah,
If you gonna smoke at the level we were smoking in, and certain things weren't getting taken care of at the best of their ability. And that's all I'm gonna say about that. But other than that, business, steady, good, you know. But it's about to
yeah,
increase because you already know what time it is. It's around that special time of the year.
yep.
Yeah. So you already know how that go. But other than that, man, I know I got to go back to Houston in 2 weeks. We got to do part two of that estate sale.
Part two.
Yeah, shit. That's how much stuff they had in that house.
Wow.
Yeah, because it was certain bedrooms and furniture that we didn't even have access to sell because she wanted to potentially keep them and bring them back with her to California.
I got you.
Yeah, we was basically dealing with the sister of the lady that owned the house.
Okay, and what she didn't really know what all was going and stuff.
Yeah, I mean, it's just personal items of her sister, sentimental stuff that she just wanted to have time and think it over, that type of stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. And so, being that it took a little bit longer than we all expected, we gonna come back and do it all over again.
Facts. Oh,
Hmm.
that's what's up.
Yeah. Nah, it was lit. They actually got a big, nice, what you call those, like the robes, like it's like the Japanese, Chinese
Oh, the
style
kimono.
kimono. Yeah, like they had a big, nice one hanging on their wall. I have to send you a picture, see if y'all, I don't know if
Yeah,
y'all
let us know. Somebody already inquiring. She heard me say kimono.
who
Almost broke her neck.
who inquiring.
Amanda
I already know.
almost broke her neck.
Yeah, she actually had a lot of Asian inspired stuff in the house. So I'll send all them pictures to you. Matter of
Okay,
fact,
yeah, send it our way.
yeah. Mhm. Hold on 1 second.
Okay. Look like we getting some sort of a push to the bottom. Got
All right, I'm back.
got about 4 minutes until this candle closes, so let's see what it does. If it goes into this zone, may have more of a push that we can break below, but just be patient and wait out and see what happens. Because if it breaks low, it's just like we said above for buys. You don't want to retest before you actually enter into something like this. So it's
True that.
be patient, man. But
Word, word. What it's about to do? What we gonna do? 2 more minutes left. Damn.
oh, we're going.
77 to
So I
1 minute. You about to hop in on a retest?
um yes,
Yeah, I'm about to hop in. But shit.
but I'm gonna wait
Yeah.
until like the trade probably won't hit until after the stream. But
See what this 15 minute go close like.
yep,
I'm gonna take a little tester trade just to see if I let me
I
see
set up an entry buy. I mean entry sell.
what that 7170.
Yeah,
Nice.
it goes below that.
What we got? New candle. We broke out. Went as strong as I would like, but it is a breakout of that zone. See what this next candle about to do. 71.70.
Yeah, got look on a 1 hour. I got like take profits around.
51.
Actually, I got it at 71.60, like around there. And the reason why is because I wanted to. I can see it like bouncing
Yeah,
off of that, you
I
know.
can see that. I can see that. I can see that.
And
That's,
that's like a good, like
I
10
like
pips
what
or
a wick.
so away.
Yeah, I like what a
And that
wick
it can,
session.
yes. Now, if it does kind of break bullish, I can easily see it feel that way.
Right.
Um, in that case, if it does, then we talking. I mean, 7,100. Honestly, just to get reach down to that area. But I don't know. Let's
On a
see. Uh,
what 71, like
poss-
71.10.
poss-
Oh, 71 flat.
yeah, possibly. But if you look on a 4 hour, I would say 7,140.
Ah,
Which on the 4 hour, that's like right there.
71.40. Yeah, yeah, I can see that.
So
I mean that's a real good possibility, but I mean if it continues down, it ain't gonna do nothing but fill that wick and go all the way down to 71.10.
yeah,
But for sure, 71.40 is a very nice target if it continues selling off.
okay,
Like a good main target. I mean that's a nice 30 pips from this area.
right,
So that's a nice little bag right quick on a Sunday. Yeah, give me that.
yeah, man,
You know what I
right
mean?
quick.
Right quick.
You got people parading right now. I'm getting it
Man,
in.
getting it in. Mardi Gras gonna be there next year and probably the year after that.
I
So
think so.
I
I think
think
so.
so. But in the meantime,
In the meantime, between time,
yeah, Mardi Gras is happening on these charts.
hmm
So
throw
we're
me
gonna see.
something, Mister.
Right. We're gonna see how this 15-minute candle close may move up to get a better retest, maybe a better entry, add to
Yeah.
the position, however you want to do. That's why I've been doing better with doing uh tester trades first and then adding to the position as I get to
Yes.
more confirmation of my entry, like
Yes.
retests, breakouts of new lows, and I add to that position as I get more confirmations of my trend.
Yeah.
Should have been working out good. I
No.
ain't been losing like all the money because I gotten one bad trade.
Yep.
So
Yeah. Those
risk
testers
management.
are amazing. I mean, if it goes against you, whatever, 5, 10 pips. For one thing, it's a tester, so you're not going in heavy on it. So you can switch and go in heavy on that reversal, or you can get in on that retest and catch a big move.
Right.
Like just like you said, testers are testing the water before you get in the pool.
Hmm.
You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you jump in that pool, it's too cold, you get shot.
Oh yeah, you gonna get shot. You gonna be looking crazy as hell.
Yeah.
Biting
Ever
your
jumped
teeth.
out the hot tub and get in the pool, you tripping.
Nah, fact.
So
Look like we almost about to break the low on this wick, but
yes.
gotta wait
Took
to
a
see.
look at the 5 minute too. Just to take a peek at it. And we looking really good.
Yeah, looking real
It's about to
good.
close below.
Like I said, this is one of the trades that a lot of people would be probably iffy to take because it didn't give you one of them sweet breakout and retest. But like I said, a lot of trades are not just a breakout and then the next candle touches the area and then continues down. Like a
Correct.
lot of time, you gotta let price action play out. It's gonna go down probably 10, 15 pips, maybe even 20, and then it'll turn right back around into that zone.
Yes.
So it can grab more orders, and then if it want to continue back down bearish, then it's gonna turn right back around when the session is about to change. Typically, they just be passing the ball to one another.
Facts.
Like, here you go, Australia. Here you go, Asia. Here you go, London. Here you go, United States. Just passing the ball, big bag of money.
And United States are always the one that's go air ball. Turnover. Travel.
Damn, I did a chest pass to you. You still missed it? It was a chest bounce pass. How you missed that?
Oh, missing air ball and free throws, lane violations. That's why everybody be eating off the US.
Oh my god. Nigga said lane violation. Damn. That's true. Yeah, I gotta get my taxes finalized tomorrow.
Yeah,
So I
I
get
need to
that
do that
bread.
too.
I just got one document I gotta get from healthcare people, and then I'm good to go.
Okay.
Hmm. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm gonna put in a nice big chunk, but I'm probably gonna throw in $500 in that Q coin, man.
Okay.
Shipping kind of sweet over there, bro.
I'm gonna
I
get
ain't
in.
gonna lie. I ain't
I'm
gonna
gonna get
lie.
in.
It's but you gotta treat it. You gotta treat it like a casino, and I hate to say that because I don't look at none of this shit like gambling, because you got charts and you got news releases and you got stuff to decipher on what you're gonna do with your money. But the
when you
way it
up,
moves,
when you
yeah.
up, get out.
Oh yeah. Oh, cause the reason why I say when you up get out, cause the opportunity to get up again is right around the corner. It ain't really too much session based with that crypto shit. It's not real like, oh well, you not. It's 12 p.m., 1 p.m. and the market's kind of dead. Like, nah, that don't really go like that. You just kind of go off of volatility, which is like
Twenty
I
four
said,
seven.
yeah, 24/7. It's 24/7, bro. I mean, you could check. You obviously could look back and look at the daily time frame and just go back and see where all the big candles at, and then if you see a lot of big candles in the middle of the week, then only trade Bitcoin in the middle of the week. And I swear, sometimes in them few days, bro, I'm talking about up 200, 300% in a day and a half, like it's nothing.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, I'm talking about. So yeah, that 500 could turn into 1,500 in one day. And
Wow.
I done it with a smaller amount, so I know shit. If you got a million, and you go turn it into, like it don't matter
Oh
about the
man.
amount of the money. It's
That's
just
true.
I see the percentage gain,
Yeah, same return.
same return. You know,
Yeah.
so it's like, man, that's a nice little extra. Flip that money, then throw it into forex, and stabilize it, grow it over time, and
Thanks.
and take that money out and do something else. Go real estate or whatever the hell you want to do. It's all stepping stones, man.
Yeah. It's just another line, another stream.
Right. And the only thing that's crazy, which I haven't played with, they got a meter that you can set your margin, your leverage from 5x all the way to 100x.
Wow. So 100 times.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. And you ain't got to worry about no margin call. They'll liquidate that shit for you. big facts. They'll close the
um,
trade for you. But no, it's fun. It's just exciting. It's fun and exciting. That's all I can say. I can't really say it's a business strategy because it's still new. Bitcoin ain't even 50 years old yet, 25 years old, so it's still a baby.
yep,
You know. But nonetheless, we almost approaching the end of this live, end of this
that's
hour.
that is true.
And we just gonna talk about what we see as a closeout. So I do have a test to trade on right now. Um, I would probably want to see a retest to the bottom of this zone only based off of how this hourly close. If this hourly close a little bit stronger bearish, then I would expect some type of retest possibly, and I can add to that position, and then have my stops above,
Above, yeah,
yeah, that recent high, or maybe above this zone, you know, to see how much I'm willing to risk. But nonetheless, if we get a close back in the zone on the hourly, maybe even a 30-minute, then I'm gonna get out of these sales and I'm gonna wait for a better setup.
yep,
Cause this is the first breakout of a consolidation. You don't want to be too antsy, too heavy on the first breakout. You want to let breakouts happen and then let it retest. You know, simple as that. Well, when I was in Houston. I went to Micro Center, like that
yeah,
little electronic store, little parts
yeah.
and electronics store. Yeah, I went down the aisle to go get. I had to go buy my headphones
Uh
for
huh.
my live and shit. Bruh, line was packed with buku gamers, coders. I was like, damn, I wonder if one of y'all niggas trade Forex. Cause they was all looking for the best headphones with the microphone capability. Like they was about to play nothing but
Wait, they all
music.
was looking for that?
Like the aisle that had the headphones was packed. Put it like
Oh
that. That's
my
what I'm saying.
gosh.
Yeah, I'm talking about packed like it was Christmas. I'm like, damn, this shit crazy. Like
Yeah, boy, them streamers, man, they making their money.
streamers, yeah, exactly. It don't matter what you streaming, just streamers.
Yep.
Yeah. Hey man, looking like market probably want to maybe push up, so we'll see and monitor it and see what happens in the morning. Like I said, we got news every morning, so be prepared,
Yeah.
be careful, and you know, monitor that risk.
Yeah, man. No crazy heavy trades. Do
No.
those testers if you want to get into something
Mhm.
and then see what they do. Like you said, you
Right.
got a lot of news, so
Right. Right.
don't be proactive this week. Be reactive.
Facts. Big facts. And with that being said, we're gonna wrap it up,
Yeah,
and then
man.
we gonna see y'all again next Sunday, first Sunday of March. So non-farm payroll next week. Oh no, that's this week. That's this Friday. So
This
yeah, yeah,
Friday.
yeah.
Yeah.
Be careful. Be careful.
Yes.
We'll chop it up though. But I'm gonna holler at you, my boy.
All right, man.
All right, bro. Be easy, bro.
All right, man. Later.
Peace.
Peace.